going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This video we are going to be actually going to go visit Bowling Green. So we're going to get the kids loaded up. I got the BRZ started. I don't think I'm going to do any racing or anything like that. I think we're just going to go spectate and get some little coverage of the event, some of the drag racing, drifting, car shows, stuff like that. Pretty much just go there and have a good time. So I literally just woke up, so we're gonna get the kids ready and ready to head out the door. So we got gas now, boy. Got a full tank.
Yeah.
We good to go, ain't we? Got Mama behind us. Yeah, we're gonna go to the racetrack.
Yeah.
You got you some Cheetos. We're going to head on up there. Like I said, the line's probably really long right now. Move, fool. Somebody got busted. Yeah. Is that a police car?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's 36,000 of them. That's security, boy. That was rough. Yeah, we got our boy Dustin rolling up. Where we at? Racetrack?
Yeah. What tattoo do? Dada.
Look. Alright, so this is going to be day 2 of Import Line Spring Meet here in Bowling Green. Yesterday, battery died on the last clip that y'all just seen, and we also got hit with some rain, so we kind of knew it was going to happen. We actually caught quite a bit of rain, so everybody ended up leaving pretty early. Today is actually nice and pretty out, so we're going to go ahead and get all of our clothes and stuff outside, get them out in the cars, and get ready to head that way and wait in this long line. So I'll see you guys there. You got my boy Justin out here with Grip and Dip Racing. About to race his DSM. Yeah, put in some work. Got people staring like, oh, is that a Honda? Yes, sir. I've seen that. Hell yeah.
BB!
Hell yeah.
God damn, dude.
Let's go.
Look at that. 1960 foot, 330, half eighth, and then 7.5/8, which that's off of 3K launch.
Bro, yeah, exactly.
Like,
if it launched a little bit harder,
Oh,
drop
dude.
that 60 foot down, you're in a 10.
60, 80, 8th, fucking all of it. And the thing is, I fuck about right. About
Let's get the 10. I'll bring it on up. Well made. At 124. Cut out in a second. Out here at I the man himself on the Pro Jason. You know, you know.
I know, it's beautiful.
What's up, dude?
Leave me out my house first.
No, I wish it was mine. It's a beautiful car. A beautiful car, man.
Gorgeous.
All the details. Beautiful car.
My job and she knows that you can do it. So I mean she didn't want me to build this car. She was like jumping on the yeah, it's my job.
Nice little tribute build. Paul himself.
Dolphin Spring. End of April. End of April, May. Yeah. I think they just finished it. Yeah, they have one. I got this one and I've got the lightning truck. I've got Jody Tran.
guys, hopefully y'all enjoy this little bit of content here at the track. I want to help my buddy Dustin get his car loaded up, and then we're going to head on home because we got some parts in for my fiance's car. So get to change the look on. What? Window down.
Yeah, that one.
I'll roll it down. You can roll it down. Hey, push down. There you go. I'm gonna help him get his car loaded up, and see y'all next video. No, peace.